And here we are. Othon Palace, Copacabana Beach. Many waves today, but it's enjoyable. It is magnificent. Look at that. Yesterday, 2 days ago, it was so quiet, and today the waves are but magnificent. This is the best thing you can do in the morning. Sips 2026 will be the best, the greatest ever since we started in San Diego, California 2003. And cannot be better to have this record than at Othon Palace, Rio de Janeiro, city of my honorary citizenship, and the state where the city of Nova Friburgo has established as law FLOGEN sustainability framework. I'll be waiting from all of you in the marvelous city of Rio de Janeiro, in the marvelous beach of Copacabana, and in the marvelous hotel Rio Othon Palace.